burying shit in Dorrance.
In the face with sand.
I'm going behind the fence. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get the... We need to redo it. We need to redo it.
Fucking shot right at me. All that hole digging for no reason.
Yeah, all I was seeing the camera is the fucking thing shoot up, and I was like, oh no.
Camera started violently shaking from the running.
Oh my god.
I'm very upset. Why are we so dumb? It's a mortar. Like, obviously it's gonna shoot up.
July 8, 2012. Fuck yeah.
Click, man.
We should have put it sideways.
Click. It shot right out of the ground.
I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, when it went out, I was like, that's not supposed to happen.
about-
Okay,
like,
next time we get fireworks, this is where we're gonna light them off.
Yeah, dude, just Dorrance.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll love it.
I thought I heard like a radio.